Hi boys and girls. For writing today, we're going to do a little handwriting practice. We're going to practice writing the uppercase and lowercase u, c, and o. We'll first write them up here on the board, skywrite them together, and then you'll have an opportunity to practice writing a couple of your own from the activity in your packet. Let's go ahead and get started with the uppercase u. The uppercase u is going to start on this skyline. We're going to go down straight to the grass line. Just before I get to the grass line, I'm going to curve, bump the grass line, and go back up to the skyline. So I just bump the grass line a little bit right here. The lowercase u, we'll skywrite the uppercase u first. Go ahead and get your arm up, point to the skyline, go down straight to the grass line, curve, go back up straight to the skyline. I almost forgot. Now let's go ahead and write the lowercase u. The lowercase u is a short lowercase letter, which means it's going to stay below the plane line. We'll start on the plane line and go down to the grass line, just like the uppercase. Before we get to the grass line, curve, go back up to the plane line, trace back down to the grass line. So the uppercase we didn't trace back down. The lowercase we're going to trace back down. Let's go ahead and skywrite it together. Get your arm up, point to the plane line, go down to the grass line, curve up to the plane line, trace back down to the grass line. The uppercase and lowercase u. When you're writing during writing, you want to make sure that when you write the lowercase u, that it stays below the grass or the plane line. All right. Our next letter is the uppercase and the lowercase c. The uppercase c is going to start just a little bit below the skyline. We'll go up, bump the skyline, around to the grass line. Oops, and I went a little bit below the grass line. Let's go ahead and skywrite that together. We're going to start just below the skyline, fly up to the skyline, around to the grass line. Just like the lowercase u, the lowercase c is a plain line letter. It's a short letter. It's going to stay below the plain line, and it looks almost exactly like the uppercase c. Okay? So we're going to start on that plain line, go around to the grass line. And that is it. Point to the plain line, go around to the grass line. That is the uppercase and lowercase c. Our last one today is the uppercase and lowercase o. Just like the uppercase c, we're going to start just below the skyline and go up to the skyline before going around to the grass line. So we'll start just below, fly up, bump the skyline, go around to the grass line. Instead of stopping like the uppercase c, we're going to go all the way back around and close it. The uppercase o. Let's go ahead and skywrite it. Get your arm up. We're going to start just below the skyline, fly up to the skyline, around to the grass line, back to the skyline. And just like the u and the c, the lowercase o is also a short lowercase letter, so it's going to stay below that plain line. It looks just like the uppercase o, it's just smaller. So we'll start on the plain line, go around, bump the grass line, back up to the plain line. I went a little bit below the grass line, so try to stay above the grass line. Let's go ahead and skywrite that together. Point to the plain line, go around to the grass line, back up to the plain line. O, octopus, ah. Those are our 3 letters for today. Practice hard on your handwriting, and I look forward to seeing it. See you next time.